So let's see what we got today. Alrighty, this looks like spinach and some grapes. Those look absolutely delicious. We got jalapenos, apples, some stone fruit of some sort. I'm not sure if they're plums or apricots or whatever, but they look delicious. Oh, we got some carrots. So many carrots. They know us. All right. Some onion, avocado, another apple, more stone fruit, avocado. Holy crap, that's the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen. Jeez, and some spaghetti squash. And again, this is spinach. And these are some beautiful looking grapes that I'm gonna eat right now before my son comes home and eats them all.